Okay, hello guys. My name is Krishna Chaitanya, and I'm pursuing my second year BTech Chemical in VIT University. And my major interests are social development and rural development. And like my major interest is like how can we improve the quality of life of the rural sector and of the rural people. And if that can be done through a mobile or through some kind of technology, and I am very much happy. So this is some kind of plan that I had for developing. Like mobile companies now, every major company has its own CSR. So if mobile companies can be contacted and they can be requested to make good multimedia phones at a cheaper rate, it will be a good CSR for them. So all these mobile companies, all of these mobile companies have a CSR, basically how they can connect to the rural development. So like if we can request the mobile companies to make good multimedia phones at a cheaper rate, this will be a very good CSR for them. Now all these mobiles can be bought from them at from good funding, and these mobiles can be taken up to villages. Now in these villages we can have a mobile library kind of stuff, like where 10 or 15 mobiles can be kept at, for 2-3 localities. Now like we can collect students of different ages. Now according to the requirements of the students, we can insert these new chips that are coming up. Now these chips are basically information banks, like they have a lot of information in it. So these chips can be inserted in these good multimedia phones. So like we can take this one phone, like one phone for every 10 students. So so that this doesn't get misused, that once we can select a good student who has the responsibility, and that student can be given up with this phone. So he can read stuff and he can provide to all his friends and all at a particular place. So now so this will basically help all the students as such. Now we can have quality checks every 1 month, like we can have a small test as to what syllabus they are reading, and during that test we can provide them with certificates, like because these certificates are something that they can carry on, they can show that they had a course, something like this. So basically what I feel is that these mobiles are the next step to change. Instead of computers, instead of big offices and all, these small mobiles under a tree also can be a major step. Thank you.